getting crazy now.
You're really a devil!
Why she didn't just try to take him out? Why she tried to work with him to get her cat back? Oh.
The kind that'll slice into your gut, so I can touch me some boobs!
Everybody's scared of him, and now you see the reaction.
On saving humans. Let's see you cut through this!
Oh, we can hold cards. So he do got strength.
Body contains such strength.
What? Ew, ew, ew. Sonar. Forgot bats can do this shit.
Up till now.
Ooh. Pause. But
Impatient as a
the pull up was tough. He's freaky as hell, but damn.